How's it going? I'm All Lucio. I work for the Water and Sewer Department. I'm a heavy equipment operator, and I'm here with my superintendent, AJ. This is the camera check. Best way we use it for the town is to find out where we have leaks, I guess in sewer mains, drains, find a break. And by doing this, we don't have to cause more damage by using the flusher. We can actually pinpoint exactly where it is. This is how I control the movement forward. And then I can go backwards. Depending how big the pipes are, I can go up by holding that. There's a scissor lift on the body that lets me get the full height depending how much flow we have in the pipe. I found out you could crab walk it, and we had it in the garage. It was fully spinning. It was awesome.
Hello, my name is Dimitri Vidalis. I'm the Assistant Superintendent here for the Town of Wellesley's Water and Sewer Division. I help out with the maintenance and preventive maintenance we perform out in the field. The second object that is important to us that we are trying to utilize and take better advantage of is monitoring equipment, both on the drinking water side and the collection system side. On the drinking water side, we are piloting a few different pieces of equipment that do the listening. This includes AQS, leak detection equipment.
So this one straps the outside of the hydrant. We're looking at other ones that go on top of the bonnet. And then we're also looking at some that go underground that sit on top of our gate valves. They all basically do the same thing. They're all acoustic devices that listen between two locations, usually less than 1,000 feet apart, that are listening for irregularities in the water flowing in the pipe and help us correlate between the two where a leak might be detected. So my name's Aaron Miller. I'm the superintendent of the Water and Sewer Department for the town of Wellesley. Our system is unique. We have 3 groundwater supply treatment plants. So we have one, this one's Wellesley Ave, we have Longfellow, and then we have one in West Pond. Those generate somewhere between 1.5 to 2 million gallons of water a day. And the town as a whole utilizes about 2 million gallons of water a day on average. All right, so we're at the West Pond Water Treatment Facility. And I just want to give you a quick overview of how the drinking water sort of gets from the ground where it resides into our treatment plant, through the treatment plant processes, and then out to the distribution system. So you see these 4 wells here on the property. Most of our treatment plants have between 2 and 4 wells. That building there is a facility in which all the water gets combined, and then it runs into our treatment facility here. And I'll take you inside and you can see sort of how the whole system works. The water that we saw outside, so the 4 wells, they combine, they come into this building and they go through a series of vessels. So on the right here, you see the blue vessels. These are green sand filters. And so we run water through these. The water reacts inside those vessels with green sand and anthracite to remove iron and manganese, which are 2 major contaminants that we find in groundwater. We're responsible for the water all the way to the tap, which means we need some way to detect that the water at your tap is safe to drink. And so chlorine is used in every treatment plant, essentially in New England and around the country, because it has a detectable trace to it when you get it to your tap. A word of advice for anybody who's interested in learning more about water and sewer industry, to look up your local consumer competence report. It's usually available on the town website. That'll tell you a lot about your own current water supply, the water quality, where it comes from, and more about the people who work on it. Associations like the Mass Water Works Association, New England Water Works Association, NUIA, those are all big organizations that help manage the education side, the licensing side, and can really tell you where the jobs are located in our industry.